Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. How are you? Hope you are all fine. Stay blessed. As you know that our learning is going on, so I have to explain the exercises of unit number 2. All the rest exercises, from page number 18. Learn it timely and do practice for your paper. Okay, indefinite articles are a and indefinite articles used before the singular countable noun. Okay, a man, an engine, etc. We do not use a or an before uncountable noun. For as you know, a mean egg, so it is showing the counting and the quantity of the thing. So you have to use and fill the blank, and you can do it very well. Okay, adverb of frequency, this is a very good example of frequency. Mean 0%, 10%, 80%, 90%, or 100%. Your work, how much time you do your any work. It shows the frequency of the time, frequency of your work, how the often and an action is done. Okay, they have give you the options like always. This is the adverb of frequency. Usually, often, sometimes, never. These are all the adverbs of frequency. You have to use it by yourself. I keep a plastic bag with me to avoid littering. You have to do it very honestly. Fill these blocks very honestly, beta. How many times? If you keep it always, you fill this circle. Usually this circle, often this, sometimes this, and never then this. Okay, and I know most of the bodies, majority do not keep the plastic bag to avoid littering. Okay, after that you have to solve this exercise. Okay, by reading it and solve it honestly. Okay, after that you have to add your score. Okay, and compare the result in pair with your father, mother, sister, and other siblings. Now, simple present tense, it is also very clear to you that as you have done it in class 5th, class 4, but again I am explaining you a short while that present tense shows the statement or action in past and that are habitual. Okay, sorry, in present and that are habitual. And the helping verb of present tense are do and does. Okay. Underline the present form of the verb from the following. We use first form of the verb for the simple present tense. Lots of people come here. Come is the present tense. Okay, for work and for enjoyment, and when they go, this is also the present tense. Back home they leave. Present form of verb are behind a mountain of smelly trash and dirty rubbish. So in this way, as I told you, that come, enjoy, and work, leave, these are go back, these are all the first form of the verb. You have to find out from the rest sentences first form of the verb. Okay, take the right option. And this is also the exercise about simple present tense, so you have to take the correct option. Okay, listen student, when we will talk about the singular form, we will add s or es at the end of the first form of the verb. Okay, they never dash to see us, they never come to see us, because we are talking about the plural, so we will use come. I always cleans my teeth twice a day. ठीक है, always clean, sorry, always के साथ भी जो है वो ये आएगा. ठीक है. The train often dash arrives late. This one, and 4 and 5 you have to do it by yourself. Okay, punctuation, you know very well the use of comma, full stop, question mark, colon, semicolon, quotation marks. All these type of things are called capital letter, uh, hyphen. These are called the punctuation. Here, what you have to do, you have to use comma. Change the following sentences into negative and interrogative. She comes early. She does not comes early. Okay, this is all about the simple present tense, negative and interrogative of simple present tense. डू और डज़ आपने इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब जैसे मैंने बताया यूज़ करना है. तो डज़ जो है वो सिंगुलर के साथ आएगा. डू आई और दे यू वी इसके साथ आएगा. आई रीड द बुक, आई डू नॉट रीड द बुक, डू आई रीड द बुक. Same as you have to solve the sentence number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, after that you have to rewrite the sentence given below using comma where needed. You have to put the comma in these lines where needed. You have it to do by yourself also. Okay, syllable division मतलब the part of the words you have to divide the words littering 2 syllables. lit Littering. Okay, they have made it in 3 parts. Consequences. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called the syllables. So find out, make the syllables obvious and write here. Writing paragraph. Littering. You have to write about the littering. It can be your paper, test or exams essay. A great problem है इसके causes. First of all you have to describe it in causes. Rubbish left scattered, uncollected garbage, sense of responsibility, land pollution, spread disease, use of garbage dustbin, the effects इसके हैं, and then you have to give the solution how you can solve it out. You have to do the practice of oral communication and you have to learn all these glossary words, meaning it can be included in your tests. Okay beta, stay blessed.